respected principal, honorable colleagues, dear students, and beloved parents. A very happy Independence Day to each one of you. Jai Hind. Today, as we stand beneath the glory of our tricolor flag, we do not just celebrate freedom. We celebrate sacrifice, courage, and dreams turned into reality. 15 August 1947, the dawn of a free India, was not a gift. It was earned with blood, sweat, and countless sacrifices. Let us pause for a moment. Can we even begin to imagine the pain of our freedom fighters? The young Bhagat Singh who smiled at death, the fearless Rani Lakshmibai who fought till her last breath. They had no weapons, they had no wealth, but they had one unshakable power, the love for their motherland. Today, we as teachers are not just educators. We are torch bearers. We do not just teach alphabets. We build attitudes. We do not just explain formulas. We inspire futures. Let us remember, a soldier guards the borders. A teacher guards the nation's soul. Every time we enter the classroom, we are shaping the mind that will lead India tomorrow. We are silently creating the next Abdul Kalam, the next Kalpana Chawla, the next Ambedkar. Let us not take that lightly. Freedom is not just the absence of chains. It is the presence of opportunity, justice, and unity. And who better than a teacher to plant these seeds in young hearts? Let us teach them not just to rise in career, but to rise in character. Let us remind them that Big in India is not just an identity, it's a responsibility. My dear fellow citizens, we got freedom after 200 years of struggle. But our true tribute to that struggle is not in celebration, but in dedication. Let us not just wave the flag on August 15th. Let us carry its value in our hearts every single day. As teachers, let us promise today to light up young minds, to uphold truth, and to never stop believing in the India of our dreams. With my folded hands, I conclude. Long live the spirit of India. Let us be proud Indians and proud teachers. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Vande Mataram.